Are you curious about the nutritional value of your favorite recipes? Our Recipe Analyzer is your tool to get complete nutrition information for personal or online recipes. To start, click on the Analyze My Recipe button. Next, simply choose the recipe you'd like to analyze. You can either fetch a recipe from a website or enter your recipe manually. Let's first review how to enter your own recipe manually. Just click on the Enter Your Recipe Manually button. Let's say you want to know more about your favorite afternoon snack, a date shake. Enter the recipe name, source of recipe, prep time, cooking time, and total time required. You'll also need to let us know how many servings the recipe will make and how many servings you plan to eat. Remember, the analysis will be based on the number of servings you plan to eat. Now begin adding the list of ingredients. Enter each ingredient in the search box and select from the drop-down menu. Then select the amount and type of the ingredient. If the ingredient you are adding requires a description like frozen, chopping, or mincing, add the instructions here. Then save, and continue adding all of the recipe's ingredients. Next, add the instructions for the recipe. Now you are ready to click Analyze Recipe. Your recipe will be saved to your My Recipe library, and you will be asked to agree to use one of your credits. Recipes Analyze report will provide you with nutrient information including calories, carbs, proteins, fats, as well as vitamins and minerals present in the recipe, empowering you to make informed choices about your eating goals. If you want to analyze a recipe that you found online, simply copy and paste the recipe's URL in the recipe source URL search box. Then click on the Fetch a Recipe from a Website button. You'll see a message saying the recipe is loading from the website. Please note that retrieving the recipe may take some time, and the screen will be grayed out during this process. In some instances, after retrieving the recipe, you may see a message stating, "This page seems to want to confuse us by providing multiple similar recipes. Please choose the correct one." Go ahead and select the option that appears to be the most accurate. If it doesn't populate correctly, go back and try another option. Don't worry, it's not using one of your credits at this point. Each recipe site has a differing structure and sometimes interferes with the recipe results, so take a moment to check the details in the source text, which is the recipe ingredient list, against the item column, which is the database ingredient that will be analyzed. Then confirm the amount and measurement type are correct, and make any necessary edits. It looks like the lime juice is incorrect, so I'll swap it out for the right item. You can edit the servings you plan to eat and add or delete ingredients. When you have completed all of your edits, click Analyze Recipe. Then confirm that you want to use one of your credits. Your recipe will be analyzed and available to view in your recipe library. Use the Back button to return to the home page to analyze another recipe. In addition, from here you can view your recipe library. Your recipe library has 2 free whole-body reset recipes already included for you. Along with accessing all your analyzed recipes, you can view your available credits. AARP members receive 10 credits every month for free, while AARP non-member online account holders receive 5 credits. If you'd like to upgrade to the Meal Plan Creator subscription, you'll receive 25 recipe credits a month, along with over 1,000 analyzed recipes. If you upgrade to the AARP Personalized Nutrition Meal Plan Creator, your saved recipes will be available to include in your personalized weekly meal plans. Let our Recipe Analyzer tool do the work for you and enjoy your delicious and nutritious meals with complete peace of mind.